100% chance? I hate the freaking rain. Huh. It's not the way I remember it. Hey, Tyrone! Did you do the dishes? Yo, T! TV pot! Can you get the door, please? Yo, T! Dude, 10 feet away.
Hello.
Hi. What can I do for you, ladies?
There's no chewing gum in class.
Sorry.
Now, pay attention and listen to Cloud.
Thank you, Rain. I suppose you think we have an unlimited supply of water. Huh? Well, let me enlighten you. James, you live in a desert. You must conserve water. You've wasted hundreds of gallons just this morning.
You used an entire sink full of water to wash 3 dishes.
So?
You let the shower run for how long?
Just waiting for it to get hot.
And you always wash one shirt at a time?
Actually, yes. Why? Does it even really matter?
It makes me really, really angry. That's why it matters.
Look, Cupcake. This has all been very moving. I feel like a much better person. But unless Mother Nature comes and grabs me by the ear, throw me against that board, drag me down the hall, give me a swirly in the bathroom, I don't care.
What we have here is a failure to communicate.
Ugh!
What's my name? What's my name?
Dude, what happened to you?
Don't ask, man. Don't ask. Hey, turn that water off, will you? You're wasting it. Dude, Mother Nature will kick your butt.
I don't care if Mother Nature and Gary Busey were here. What are they gonna do? Shove a brush up?
Don't say it.
How you doing? Boy, we got a problem.
What's my name?
Now that's water conservation.